Howdy hey, today we will be learning how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. You need to know how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube to solve this. If you know how to, then let's begin. Now that the 2x2 is scrambled, we need to solve one side, or aka the full step. So let's start with white. So you just kind of put them in using the algorithm so that these colors match. And then we need to find one with green. That one doesn't have green. Oop, that one has green. And it's inside the wrong spot, so just do ready, figure it out. And then align it where it needs to go. And then just do ready. And here it is. And with this one, same. And just do ready. And here it is. Now, the top layer is super simple. Think of it like solving the 3x3, but only the corners. So, let's look around to look at corners that share a color. These share red. Okay, so move it to red. Now you ask yourself, do these two mean swap? No. Then look at the other two. Do these two mean swap? Yes. So you ready once, twice, 3 times, turn lefty once, twice, 3 times, and then if you look, it should all be aligned. Now for this, you just turn it over, and then just do right algorithm until that is on bottom, turn to the next one that you set, do right algorithm until that is on bottom, turn, do right algorithm to there is some bottom. And congratulations, you just solved the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. It's super simple, isn't it? Well, now that we've solved the 2x2, I want to talk about timers. The timer that I prefer is a stackmat timer. It is primarily used for speed stacks and cubing competitions. What you do is you just hold, start solving, put it down, go like that, then it saves your time. And you can save 3 times, and then you just use this button to clear. Or you can use a website. The one I like to use is Rubrik. You can either hold on the time on the screen and let go, and tap it when you're done if you're on mobile. But if you are on a computer, then you just hold spacebar, time starts, tap spacebar, time ends. Simple. Well, that's all for today. Bye.